Email marketing is alive and well. If you're anything like me, I'm always looking for new ways to grow my business and acquire new customers. I have spent millions of dollars growing my business through email marketing and made over $20 million doing just that. I have tested so many different providers, from Microsoft to Google to custom server build outs to using web hosting, and I've tried everything. And with the updates that came out in early 2024, the only thing currently really working well for high delivery rates is Google emails. And that's really frustrating because Google emails are very expensive if you're paying for those business Google emails, and that's the ones that have @yourbusinessname.com. And so what I wanted to do was find a more affordable way, and I was able to get negotiated rates and become a reseller for Google emails. And so basically, instead of paying directly to Google, you're paying $7, $8 a month, whatever it is for the plan that you need. You're able to pay us a much more affordable price. But not only that, we're gonna give you access to some really cool tools, because you can't just have the right email. You also have to set it up correctly, make sure all your records are set up correctly. And then when you put it into the different tools, you have to have all those settings correct as well. And since we really like to use Instantly AI or Smart Leads at the moment, and that might change, but you have to do certain things as well as set up your tracking domains, make sure that all your records are set up, make sure that you're not sending too many, make sure that you're warming up long enough. And so this can be really complicated. So what we've offered you is these Google emails at a discounted rate. You'll get access to videos just like this where I show you exactly how to set it up. And there is an upsell in there for us to go ahead and set everything up for you and give you full access to that machine. So you're not paying that retainer for someone to do some BS service. We're just gonna set it up, show you how to do it, give you all the videos, and let you go run and be successful. One of the great things about Instantly AI currently is you can do evergreen campaigns, and that's really where you're using their data set to make sure that you're enriching and adding new leads to these databases pretty much every day automatically. So once you find an offer that works for you, you can grow your business on autopilot. If all that sounds great and you guys want access to my free course, and you want access to a lead database, and you want access to getting your stuff set up for you, make sure to sign up today. There are varying prices based on how much you want to do and how quickly you need to scale. Thank you.